Oh No, George by Chris Houghton. Retold by Natasha, room 205. Harry is worried. He doesn't think that George will be good, but George promised he would. George is hoping he can be good, so he has to be prepared for what comes his way. George hopes he will manage his behavior. He needs to keep his owner's trust. George sees some cake. Oh no, George. George loves cake. Uh-oh. George, don't do it. George took a giant bite out of the cake. Oh no, George. More trouble awaits. George has found cats. George loves cat. George always likes to play with cat. George, what did you do? Cat doesn't want to play right now. George, you need to make up for this. George, don't touch the dirt. He has seen some lovely dirt. George loves dirt. Uh-oh, George. George needs to leave the dirt. He's going to get paw prints everywhere. Oh no, George. Harry's back. Your owner Harry is mad. How did you eat a whole cake? Will George learn how to be a good dog? Check out Oh No, George from the Hoover Library to find out.